Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Dust Mite vacuum cleaner. Remove dust mites with vibrations and UVC light for healthier sleeping conditions. Removes 99% of dust mites, no chemicals, max 300 watt. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Oh, I like the color. Nice. With 5 meters of cable. Quite long, very convenient. The on-off switch. Washable HEPA filter, just pull that and remove. There it is. And you can clean it. You can clean the dust container and reinstall the filter. The container capacity is 200 ml. Ergonomic handle, you can use it with one hand. At the bottom we have 2 and another 2 wheels, total 4. Adjustable up and down. The UVC light is activated on contact with surface and kills off dust mites. The inlet for the dust. And of course it is ideal for thoroughly cleaning mattresses, duvets, pillows and much more. Well, let's move on and test it. See how it can clean my mattress and my sofa. Yeah, why not? Okay, after cleaning my mattress, my sofa and my pillow. Let's check this Mite vacuum cleaner. I can see dust around and here at the UVC light. So let's check the filter. Okay, not too much because my mattress it is 3 years now and my sofa it is new, but we have some dust inside. Definitely the HEPA filter is doing a good job holding all the dust inside. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now the best way to clean this it is under the water. You don't want to have any allergy. Of course the UV light it kills all the mites, but just in case clean it under the water. Well, let's do that. Okay, there it is. Clean it very well under the water, and then with a high pressure gun I have cleaned all the unnecessary water. So let's turn it on to see the UVC light. It turns off automatically when the vacuum is not at the surface. Nice. If you want to clean your sofa, your mattress, your pillow, any area where you are sleeping, I think this is a great idea. It will kill all the mites and clean everything. 99% and more. If you have old mattress and you don't want to throw it away, that is a great idea, just buy it. It costs 50 euros and clean it. I think the price is very good for the things that it can do to have a clean mattress. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.